Hey guys, it's Cassie. We're going to do a product empties video today, which is basically like digging through the stuff that I have on my vanity that should be in the trash. I have some body products and some makeup products that we're going to go through, so let's just get right into it, shall we? The first item I want to talk about is from Juice Beauty, which is a line that is sold at Ulta, and this is the Green Apple Firming Body Moisturizer. I really loved this, besides the fact that it's, I believe, over $20. I will put that right here on the screen how much it actually is. It's a firming body moisturizer. Its claims are that it has essential fatty acids, vitamin C, and peptides to help firm the skin from head to toe. It's all organic ingredients. I still have a little bit left, so I'm definitely going to use up what is left in this bottle, but it smells delicious. It's very citrusy. It's very thick, so I feel like when I get out of the shower, this is the perfect moisturizer to put on. I really enjoyed that. I may give it another shot or try something else, but I've been interested in firming body lotions lately ever since I saw Nadine Baggett's YouTube video about using retinols, using AHAs and BHAs inside of your body products. So this one was really good to me and I may repurchase it. The second product is the Pixi Skin Treats Glow Tonic To Go 5% glycolic acid peel pads. Now these are awesome. I would highly recommend these. Even if you have sensitive skin, especially if you have dry skin, these are a resurfacing pad. So they have AHA, that is alpha hydroxy acids, and those help to exfoliate your skin at a chemical level. It's not like using a bead exfoliant, which I don't use anymore. That's like one of those exfoliators that has the little tiny granules in it and it feels rough and you feel like you're cleaning your skin really well and getting all the dead skin off, but it's not going to go into your skin as an active ingredient. You take one of these pads and you, after you remove all your makeup, you just literally swipe this over. You don't rub. You swipe it over and you leave it on. You don't do anything else besides put your moisturizers on after it. No need to rinse, and it resurfaces your skin, brightens your skin, and brings those new skin cells to the surface. So these are awesome. I will again list the price here, and you can buy these at Target. The next skincare product is one I've been buying for quite a while and have gone through a few of these, so I definitely will repurchase this. But it is the Trader Joe's Nourish Antioxidant Facial Serum. This is like, I don't know if I can get, oh yay, there's a pump left. It's a gel serum, you can see right there. It's super soft, very silicone based, blurs your pores really well. It pills and bunches up a little bit under makeup, so I try to use it at night, but it's pretty inexpensive. I think it's $10 for this entire ounce, and I just take it from forehead all the way to chest because you can use a couple pumps of that and not. You have to be quiet or you're going out. Shh. Anyways, you can use a couple pumps of that one and not feel like you're breaking the bank because it's only 10 bucks. So I really like that Trader Joe's serum. Definitely will repurchase. The next product is 100% cruelty-free, 100% vegan, and 100% GMO-free. You can buy this at Sprouts and I'm sure other places, but it's the Derma E Hydrating Serum. And this is a hyaluronic acid serum. What you need to know about hyaluronic acid is that it's a plumping, moisturizing ingredient. It is an active acid, but not in the sense of peeling. So this serum is a lot milkier, and I usually use this before makeup because it sinks into the skin really well. That one is not that expensive. I think I'm gonna try a different hydrating serum, so that one is a no for repurchasing right now, but I do like that it's friendly for those people who are vegan or who don't want genetically modified ingredients inside of their skincare. So that one's a really great option. Again, I bought mine at Sprouts. Next up is the Mario Badescu Protein Night Cream. I also bought this at Ulta. Not gonna break your pocket either. Not gonna break your pocket. Not gonna empty your pocket either. But it's a great collagen and vitamin A infused moisturizer. Very rich, very thick, so for dry skin it is wonderful. I put it on at night. And even though my skin is really dry, I do need to put it on like probably at least 30 minutes before I go to bed. Otherwise, I'll be sticking to my hair and sticking to my pillow. But it really does moisturize your skin in the morning. Your skin will look so plump. I really like this. And let me just show you really quick. It's very thick. You'll see right there. It definitely has a lot of oil in it. So if you're looking for an oil-free moisturizer, this is not it. But if you have dry skin and you're not afraid of oil, I highly recommend that cream. It is amazing for dry skin. Definitely repurchasing. And finally, for skincare, I have something that was very expensive that I got semi-pressured into buying at Ulta because the representative for Shiseido was there, and I used to work at Clinique and I know how that goes when you're like really trying to hook a sale and you're trying to explain to someone why this product is so great and how it'll be great for their skin, and you've invested all this time in talking to them about it. So I was like, ugh. I mean, I kind of felt bad for her. Like, I bought it for that reason. I was about to return it, but I decided, you know what, I'll give it a chance. It's pretty cool. And it's taken me a while to finish it. It's the Shiseido Ibuki, what do they call this? Sleeping mask. And I just use that as a nighttime moisturizer, so I do sleep in it. But this is really great for someone who has a more oily skin type as well as a dry skin type, because there's little beads of bursting moisturizer in here. I don't know if you can see them right there. You can, the darker specks. So when you rub them in, they go into your skin and it's literally like water. Like, it's so thin, but your skin feels very hydrated after this. Now, I think this was $62. You do get 2.8 ounces, so at least it's not 1 ounce. But I don't know if I'll be repurchasing this. My Belief True Aqua Bomb cream is like half the price, and I really like that. It's very watery too. I've used that a few times on this channel, but I think I'll stick with that versus this Ibuki cream. But look at the jar. I mean, you're basically paying for packaging, but this is a really nice product. I just don't think I'll be repurchasing it quite yet. For makeup, I have a few products too that I need to throw out. So let me just start with the first that saddens me because this is expensive, but I will definitely repurchase it because it's one of my favorite foundations ever, and that is the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Foundation Stick. So I have used the liquid before. I way prefer the stick because you can control the coverage. I wore this on my wedding day. I trust it like I trust my coffee in the morning. That was a really weird analogy, but that's what I could think of. I absolutely love this. I am the color Y225, which is also 117. I don't completely understand their color system, although I know Y is yellow, and I'm a mid-tone to light. So this foundation is pricey, but it lasts a while. It's lasted me almost a year, so sad to see it go, but definitely will be repurchasing this. I have two mascaras that are heading to the graveyard. The first one is so beautiful. I mean, I just like, I want shoes, I want purses, I want everything that looks like this. It's bedazzled and like studded. It's amazing. But this is the Bad Gal Bang mascara from Benefit, and I liked this. I think I fell more into the advertising hype about it because I felt like it dried out really fast. But it's a thin little brush like this. It does volumize pretty well. I just don't feel like it's my favorite mascara. This one is also one of my favorites because it's like a dupe for that Better Than Sex mascara, but this is the Voluminous Lash Paradise by L'Oreal. And all that moisturizer skin to me. But the spoolie on here is basically the same as the Better Than Sex. Definitely delivers a lot of product. This one is just old and needs to go in the trash. I have a foundation that has really just not been that great. First of all, the thing fell off the top, so that's one thing. And this sponge in here has hardly any foundation on it. Like, I feel like there's just not that much. And this is not that cheap. This is the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Cushion. I really like cushion foundations, and like You will buy this and you will peel that little plastic part back. You will dip your sponge in there for the first time and you will be like, yes, this looks so beautiful on the skin. It's super glowy, super luminous. And then like you'll use it 3 more times and there's nothing in there. So I think we just haven't really mastered adding foundation to the sponge in here yet because there's not a whole lot. So I've sadly got to get rid of this because there just ain't nothing left. I also don't really like it because I feel like it just like harbors bacteria in there every time you're dipping the sponge back in there. So that's another reason to just kind of like, you know, part ways with it a little earlier than other foundations. Won't be repurchasing, sad to say. And last on my list is a really great setting spray, and that is the Pixie Glow Mist with propolis and argan oil. And this is a nourishing, hydrating mist. You can see I have a little bit left in here. I will show you quickly. I'm scared to show you because I think it's gonna just spurt drops. There we go. Woo! Susie! Don't open your mouth. It's got a lot of essential oils in there. But it's beautiful, and if you just spray that on, you can see it amps up that glow. And I just take my sponge, press it in. I want to try the Milky Hydrating Mist from Pixie, but I definitely will eventually repurchase this one too and give that other hydrating mist a try. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. This is my trash that I'm throwing away, product empties. These videos are really helpful, I think, because if you like similar colors, similar makeup style, or you have a similar skin type to someone, it can be helpful to see what products they have used all the way through and what the benefits and maybe the drawbacks of those products are, as well as their prices. So stay tuned for the next video, and thank you for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Bye! You're gonna be good? You can stay in here if you're gonna be good. Okay? Really? Really? You're too cute. Okay. Hi guys, No, you're not doing that. Hi guys, Cassie here. I wanted to do it. Really? I'm talking to a camera. It's okay. Why do I hold my breath when I do this? I don't understand. Let it go. Let it go. It looks like my highlight's on point, but I'm really just sweating so much right now. Hello. Wow, this is not easy.